Toronto has recently experienced significant snowfall, leading to operational disruptions and safety concerns. On February 17, 2025, a Delta Air Lines regional jet crashed upon landing at Toronto Pearson International Airport amid harsh conditions, including 40 miles per hour winds and swirling snow. The plane landed, erupted into flames, and flipped over. Miraculously, all 80 people on board were safely evacuated, though 18 were hospitalized with none sustaining severe injuries. New York Post. In the days following, Toronto faced additional challenges due to heavy snowfall. The city accumulated 60 centimeters of snow in just 1 week, with the snowpack reaching 50 centimeters deep as of February 17, the second highest on record and the deepest since January 15, 1999. City News Toronto. To manage the snow, the City of Toronto initiated snow removal operations on February 19, 2025. Crews began removing excess snow from areas where there was insufficient space to store it, with the process expected to take up to 3 weeks.